Hello, and welcome to this introductory course on prompt hacking. My name is Sander Schulhoff. I'm the founder and CEO of Learn Prompting, and will be your instructor for this course. This course will be a straightforward introduction to fundamental prompt hacking concepts, such as prompt injection and jailbreaking. We will then learn some techniques that we can use to defend our model against such attacks. To understand prompt hacking, you have to understand how LLMs are deployed across the internet. Today, large language models are everywhere. They power everything from your search engine to your note-taking application. One of the most common applications of large language models is text generation. People have created websites and applications that can help generate all sorts of things using large language models. Let's take a look at an example website that lets users create stories by simply giving a quick description of the plot. In the example we are looking at, the user inputs the description, a poor boy who turns into a multi-billionaire, and uses the website to create a story about a poor boy who becomes a billionaire. However, what if instead of give it a story, the tells it to instead do something bad, like output hate speech? The website may go ahead and output hate speech. This is a huge problem for the website developer, as it can lead to bad press and cost them money in wasted tokens. Let's talk about why this can happen. In this example website, users interact with the large language model through the user input. User input is an input from the user to the language model. Users can use it to influence the output of the model. In the above example, the user input controls the main elements, the character, setting, and overall plot of the story. Since users have full control over what they send to the model, malicious users can use the user input to exploit the model. The second component that influences the output of the model is developer instructions or developer input. Developer instructions are invisible to an external user and are not always there. When present, developer instructions shape the model's behavior and ensure that the model generates relevant output. In the example, even though the user asks a question, developer instructions ensure that the model generates a story. It takes significant effort to develop effective developer instructions. Hence, they are considered intellectual property. They are always at risk of being exposed by the attacker. Click. Developer instructions, together with user input, constitute a prompt. In this course, we will study how attackers can create malicious user inputs to generate malicious output, and even expose developer instructions.